That'll start recording straight away. Wow, that's sick. Look at that. That's sick. Yeah. Mad. Today we're making first breakfast of the holiday, but before we get into Malta. Whoa, look at that. We're pumped and raring to go, aren't we? Ready to go. Raring to go. Yeah, let's go. So here we are. We have arrived at Gatwick
Airport,
and we're currently waiting for Mr. Reynolds to drop his bag off.
Yeah. He's looking quite, I'd say, quite disgruntled at the moment. I think the stress of the long journey,
it's getting to him.
And the
really
watch stop is really hurt.
Let's check out the watch, shall we?
There you go. Oh, wow. That's worth it, I reckon. That's worth it.
So yeah, we're about to board the flight.
Yeah.
And
I'm really close.
and yeah, it should be good,
Nice.
Back in a minute.
Yes,
yeah.
nice.
What's that, mate?
Get a shot for everyone with the bird's eye. So like, get James like really close up.
How are you enjoying the flight, mate?
See something.
You enjoying the flight?
Yeah.
So we're on the flight to Malta, about an hour away. Shouldn't be long till we're arriving, and we're very much looking forward to it now. It's been, well, it feels like a bit of a long journey actually.
It's been a bit of a long journey.
Yeah.
If I just, is it on it's on wide mode.
Yeah.
Is that good? So if is that like closer? How close does it focus? So it's been quite a wide journey. It's been quite a long journey. James had a sleep. Will's had a little bit of a sleep, but less of a sleep. And now James is just testing out. I've been watching my murder mystery Hannibal film, and then I'll pass you over to James now.
It's still recording. You just yeah. It's quite good.
Do you want to use them from it?
Here we are. We've arrived at the hostel.
Wash.
Is it Hostel Multi?
Yes, it is.
It was a bit of an adventure getting here. We had to take several wrong directions, but we got here. It's about 10 o'clock, but we're gonna see if we can find some food.
Demonstrate the time to your life.
See if we can find some food. And yeah, get our free shots, so then maybe check out the jacuzzi.
Excellent, yeah.
Yeah, righto. So just boarded the boat, haven't we? We're going on a tour of the Isle of Island of Comino Island. And we're all a little bit tired from a late night, but it should be amazing. There's some good stuff to see. We're going to see the Blue Lagoon. We're going to go on a little swim. We're on this amazing boat at the moment. Unfortunately, we can't go up on the top because you have to pay extra.
Although you might get a free pass looking like it's going to be influencers.
What's that?
You look like
So yeah, let's
This better be a vlog.
So it is going to be a vlog. It's going to be a vlog.
Hello.
Hello.
So today we're at the Blue Lagoon.
So we've arrived at Island Comino.
Is that where we are?
Which is where we are heading right now. We're heading to the Blue Lagoon. We're gonna get some snorkeling done. James is munching on his hot dog there. Yeah. It's looking incredible. Absolutely incredible. The water is like extraordinarily blue. So let's get to that lagoon. Absolutely stunning. So yeah, we're just hiking up to find the space a bit away from the crowds. It's very busy here. But it's absolutely breathtaking. It's insane. Secluded. We found a nice secluded spot here where there's less people. Well, it's not secluded, but this is the one on the rocks. Okay, let's jump. Oh. Wow. He's left a towel. But this is perfect, and we could maybe even jump in there.
Oh, wait, yeah. Probably jump off here.
Yeah, I should say to the kids. I think that's quite safe.
This is Will's first jump of Malta. Wish him luck. Ready, we're recording, mate. 3, 2, 1. That was extremely disappointing. Ready? Okay. Chill. What? Is it shot? Shot! 3, 2, 1. Dive it! Yeah! Oh. Oh no. Okay, mate. 3, 2, 1. Jump it! So, we're all going to jump, all of us, down there. Just quickly some lovely views. There's Will, there's James, there's me. Are we ready? We're going to jump down there.
Where are you going?
Oh, you guys, we've got to jump at the same time, otherwise I will not be able to film you.
Tell me when.
Alright. So on go, after 3, 2, 1, go, yeah?
Okay.
Alright. Fucking hell, please don't jump on me. Alright. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, woo! Right. Hang on. I'm filming. So, right, one sec. This is Will's big jump. Take 1. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Yeah, let's go. Yeah! 1. Go!
When you're ready, bud.
First time for summer.
Okay. Oh, can we? It's recording at the minute. It's recording currently.
Get in! He's struggling to swim.
You guys get up to the I won't be able to use it.
He literally doesn't know how to swim.
You do it.
Make it look natural.
So graceful. Go. That was so...
Yeah.
It was good. Rubbish is fucking up.
So we've just found that there's little salt pools. Oh mate, check this out mate, this is salt. Oh, guys, check out the salt. Try it, sea salt. Let's try a bit there. You all cut up mate. I know mate. You guys enjoy that?
Enjoy that very much. I love going through that. Especially for me, me swimming through that.
You saw it through?
Yeah. Oh, we didn't get on camera.
He's lying, he's lying. Okay, so we're just about to leave Hostel Multi, and it's another absolutely
Scorching day,
scorcher of a day
Should we go and look at
here in Malta. That's Hostel Multi. And yeah, we're gonna go get some water from the local shop, and then we're gonna take a taxi to our Airbnb where we're staying for the next couple of days.
Looks fantastic.
Mate,
fantastic.
it looks
beautiful.
amazing. Actually, yeah, cannot wait to get there.
Same, I'm really excited.
We've had a really nice stay in the hostel.
Yeah.
However, well, that looks quite cool. However, I think we kind of are very much looking forward to the Airbnb.
Having our own place.
Yes.
Yeah. I think it's gonna be really nice.
Had to check out this morning. We're up quite late last night, so we're a little bit out of it. Need a bit of rest, and we just need some hydration, very much so. So we're just going to the shop.
Oh, wow.
Look at it, look at it. So yeah, should we? Oh no, no. Bad news, the shop is closed.
St. Julian's
Okay.
discount stores.
Let's go to the nearest place.
Yeah. Oh, I think let's go back and then we.
Think? Yeah, let's go to the nearest water spot. Can you navigate us?
Yeah, sure. I don't know when we're hitting on the phone.
Sure. Shall I keep the video rolling?
So, I'll show you what we're currently seeing.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, St. Julian's discount store is well and truly shut.
Yeah. Big danger.
Big danger.
We
We are parched.
Actually, how about this machine?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's on. Right, I'm gonna look up shop.
It feels quite buzzy.
Shop. Yeah, so far, what's your opinions of Malta, Ollie?
I would say I like Malta as a place. It's very warm. The people are very friendly towards us.
Yeah.
Especially
7-minute walk is the nearest
7-minute walk. I think we're
therefore
going
we're
to
gonna
get. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's some fantastic spots to swim and cliff jump and
Yes.
see a little bit of marine wildlife. It's been fantastic.
It's been amazing. I've been actually super impressed by like the clarity and blueness of the water.
Oh, so it's been beautiful.
It's a pretty lush place.
It is actually, yeah.
Well, it's very, very, very dry.
Very arid, but lush of sea life.
In terms of
Yeah.
just quite visually impressive.
It is. It is.
There's a lot of sort of limestone buildings,
Yeah.
very sort of kind of somewhat Arabic feel to it.
It's interesting, isn't it? Because a lot of the architecture is quite sort of like Arabic, but then a lot of it's very Italian, and it's a bit
really interesting mix of things.
it really is.
So yeah, we're gonna get a taxi.
Probably from here.
We'll be back.
Yeah, we're back. Goodbye. See you later. Bye bye.
Yes, we've just got on the taxi to our next destination.
It's lovely and cool. was it 7-minute drive? Did you say?
Left. I mean,
Yeah.
It's
I think
pretty insane.
This looks like a good route, to be honest. I quite fancy this route.
That top bit looks difficult. Other than that,
actually, the
do you know what grade it is, James?
no,
No.
no idea. I think the guide doesn't have like.
Yeah. So we're just looking for a climbing spot, and we've come across this incredible valley.
It's beautiful,
Really,
isn't it?
absolutely incredible. It's got some pretty impressive rock faces jutting up either side, which offer some climbing routes. Let's go and have a little look. Got any sunglasses? Oh, yeah.
What's your face?
It's a little bit. Thank you. Okay. Wow.
That looks hard, but like
That looks
at
tough.
the top, it's a bit more slopey.
Yes.
Or slab.
But there's a fair few overhangs.
That looks. The first bit looks tough, but yeah.
Right. Hello. So we're looking at rocks. We're considering climbing this.
That's pretty impressive looking going up here.
It is. Through this route there.
Yeah.
Clips and around this area and there. And then we're debating whether the overhang there might be a bit too challenging for the likes of me.
Hang on, you're thinking this route? I thought we were thinking
left.
here, or
Or
are you
left.
thinking?
I'm
Yeah,
not
kind of where the bolts go.
I was thinking, could we follow this up? This sort of.
There's a couple. Yeah, it's bolt there.
There's one there. Can you see
Yeah.
it? And there. I think there isn't a route that goes right into it. Is there? Oh no, there is. There's a train up there, but that's this. Wow. Wow. Impressive place there. Unexplored
There's actually a line that
Malta.
goes straight here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
But that.
Well, let's just see how it goes, shall we?
Yeah. Fuck.
I don't know what grade they are. But...
Go on, Ollie. A little bit higher. Nice.
Yeah, boy.
Sorry. That was really good.
Right, James.
Wow.
Well done, James.
And James, got some tension, or are you right? This looks like a challenging climb.
This does. Amazing effort, James.
You see the next bolt? You see the next bolt?
I can't. There's one which probably isn't for your route, to the left of you about 2 meters on a big face, but other than that I can't see any.
To the left or right?
To the left, but it's quite far.
But it's far away. I don't think you'd want. Yeah, I don't think you'd want
It's
to.
not the same route, mate. It's definitely not. Although there is one.
Oh, there
just
is.
there,
Yes.
actually.
Yes.
That might be on it.
Which one?
To your.
Still to the left.
Oh. Okay.
Is that what you're thinking? Or were you thinking to the right?
Keep describing that one because I'm thinking of a different one. But yeah.
I've seen that one to the left and just like about a metre away from his left hand.
Right, let's-
But I don't think it's there. Have you seen something, mate?
I've seen one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Were you confident that was one?
Well, that's one just there, but I don't think it's part of the route. We'll find this.
There's one to your right, James.
Up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's not for me.
Okay.
You see, where is it now?
Okay, so you can see. Can you see the one I'm describing, Ollie?
Is there one on the left?
I don't
It's
think so.
about a metre in front of you, but it's further down than you are.
That.
Yeah.
You see
I
it?
don't know. No. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, I see
That's
it.
the one I'm looking
It's
at.
around the corner. I wonder if that's the different route as well. I think.
I think that's a different route, mate. But you see it?
I see it. Basically, if James reached out his left hand and put it down.
You're right then, mate. Do you want me to keep you any tighter, or are you alright?
Oh, there.
Do you think that's something?
Well done.
Fuck me. Oh, James.
Well done, James.
Yeah, not too tight, mate.
Okay. Okay.
You doing right?
You alright, mate?
Yeah, I'm just clipping, mate.
Huh?
He's just clipping.
Okay. See you in clip.
Are you in, mate?
Yeah.
Oh, that is incredible. Wow.
Right, I'm just gonna climb a bit higher up.
Are you on the anchor or not yet?
Yeah.
photo if you can, mate.
He's doing really good. You can sit back. Okay, there you go.
Yeah, mate.
You're doing well.
Yeah, you're doing good. How the fuck do I get past it? What was that? What was that, guy?
Alright, chill, let's just...
It's fireworks, isn't it?
Is it?
It can cause rocks to fall down, I think. Oh,
Might just...
that's annoying, man.
Does anyone want to be in the vlog?
Oh, mate, a load of fireworks just went off, and we thought it was explosion, or we thought
Some sort of cannon shooting through the valley.
some sort of
Yeah.
shootout going on.
So it's so loud in this valley.
Yeah.
Like it echoes massively.
Oh, that's mad. That's so annoying. I was just worried they might be like, I don't know, just they might be taking parts of the cliff down or something. Wow, it just makes such a
sounds
loud
incredible.
noise through here.
It sounds reverbs and then comes back.
Yeah,
Wow, that's kind of beautiful actually.
it is.
Yeah, what an ollie. Yes. Nice.
You're right about this bit, it's much more exposed than it is hard.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to do a big one now, Wilson. Okay?
Yep.
Well, right, cheers. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Okay. Up.
So we've just arrived at the Fountain of Valletta, I believe it's called, and it's pretty incredible. We've got 3 mermen holding up what looks to be like a pensive or something, and yeah, it's beautiful. We haven't really got to explore Valletta at all yet, so it's nice to see some parts of the city, and it's stunning. This is some of the films that have been filmed here. So these are all the films that have been filmed in Valletta, Ollie. Wow, Das Boot. Interesting. World War Z. Wow. So yeah, it's absolutely stunning. This is so.
Have you got a shot as we go through the gates?
So these are the gates into Valletta city, is that correct? Or are we in the ancient part of Valletta?
I don't think, maybe. I imagine this was once ancient part, but it's...
Yeah. Either way, it's very pretty.
Very good.
Let's go in like the actual. I feel like
So-
it would have been a shame to miss this kind of stuff.
Yeah, it would be actually. So we are here in Valletta, and we are walking past the Wembley store. Interesting.
This seems to be quite very
That looks good.
Yeah.
Go this way. Wow, this looks really good. Goodbye, William. And as we go around the corner, some fantastic architecture. See these buildings. I think we're actually probably on narrow. We might want it super wide. Yeah, probably not. Goodbye. Wow.
So we've just reached the Royal, what do you call it, Royal Artillery, where the guns go off twice a day.
We could
Every day at 12 and 4.
stay here till 4, have a look around.
We
and
can stay
then-
in this area till 4.
And then travel across to there at
Yes,
4:30 once
I
again.
feel like this is definitely not something we should rush. We could take most of the day doing this thing.
This is a nice. I'd like to do the 3 cities.
Yeah, yeah.
Where?
The second one is,
Three cities.
Are you sure?
Yes.
yeah, well that's one of the 3, I think.
They're quite ambiguously named.
We were just saying, this feels very James Bond-esque.
So basically, I said something organically a few seconds ago that Will found moderately funny, and he's asked me to say it again. And
Repeat
I'm not going to, because I think it wouldn't be funny. I don't even know if it was that funny initially.
Yeah, we were just saying it feels James Bondy, and James Bond would steal one of these cars, drive it onto the boat, take the boat across, and probably, yeah.
I wonder if you don't have to pay. Recording.
Don't trip over one.
There's a few pigeons about that might sort of get in your way.
Oh, this one, they're just quite hot, I think. So we're just entering back into the Royal Artillery, and we're going to watch the cannons go off. How are you feeling, chaps?
Yeah, pretty good about it.
A little scared?
I would say no.
Mightily scared. Yeah?
Yes.
Or not?
Petrified.
Petrified. Nice. Okay.
So you have to hurry.
Hurry.
1 minute.
5. 4 o'clock on the dot, guys. 4 o'clock on the dot.
On the spot.
Okay, quickly, guys, quickly. 4 o'clock on the dot. Let's go. Got a little bit of military music. Let's go. This is cool. Just enjoy the experience. Okay. So we decided to, well, we're looking to catch the ferry. And to do so, wow, this is scary. Ooh, oh. Oh my god. Fucking hell. Oh, we got the lid. Wow. We've got a lot of stairs to climb, guys.
That is a sick photo.
I'm scared. Well, no, they didn't.
Well,
Where?
maybe.
Where?
The walls can be beautiful.
Oh, wow. That's a tall ladder.
Do you reckon that's an OG, these carvings?
So high
It's
up in
like
these
they
stairs.
keep panning down.
Look at
with
that.
a camera in the film. So,
Yeah, that'd be really good.
and it's such a
It's
long,
ridiculous.
Imagine getting Canoe stuck in this grate. There's probably about enough room for me to get there and go down and just slop down it face first. Fall.
We're just about to board a travel ferry over to Bergen. Should we walk over or? Oh, they're leaving us. Here we are. Get to the ferry. Yeah, mate, we'll go with what we just said. Yeah.
Enter gets one.
Do you reckon?
No.
Wolf we done.
No,
We're just going.
So you wouldn't.
Yeah, I'll put that.
Feels like one of those Viking films.
Yeah, mate. Yeah. That's insane. We've just been to a liqueur shop. Bought some
Me?
prickly pear liqueur,
I like that.
and now we're
Yes.
walking around the ancient city. What's your first impression of the ancient city of
What's it called?
Malta? Bergo?
Well, yeah, because they always refer to it as three cities.
Is that what it's called?
No, exactly. You don't know that because it's never
It's never named.
individually.
So this is city number 1. I think they are, mate.
Because otherwise it'd be 6A, B, C, wouldn't it?
Yeah, or 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Because it's the 3 cities. It's not the ABC cities. Sorry, but wow! Look at the size of that thing. Should we figure out how much the price is by scanning the
Can you
QR
scan it?
code? Wow! It's beautiful. It's hot.
Why is James just running away?
Currently we're on the mission to find James. He keeps wandering further ahead. This is hot, mate. Okay. We're entering a museum. So this is Fort de Angelo. A beautiful ancient fortress in the Bergo, the first city of Malta. I kind of wanted to. We can go here.
Yeah, shall we?
Yeah. Gosh, it's warm.
Let's go here.
I said let's go in here. Let's get some shades. Watch out. Let's go right into the bar, man.
Right, we are here in some infested lands.
It's up to you. If you want, you
And
can have a thing.
a little pizza.
Yeah.
Any of you guys want to leave?
Nice, thank you. I think the times are quite well, to be honest. So I think we missed the.
So, we are in very hot and sunny Massachusetts. And yeah, it's a beautiful day. So I interrupted you there.
No, I don't think I don't think I'll say anything.
And yeah, we're about to take a taxi to a nearby spot called St. Peter's Pool. Apparently it's very beautiful. It's a place to do a bit of some jumping into the water. Ollie's going to practice his backflips. And yeah. What's your impression of martial slaw? I like it. Oh, it's pretty cool.
I like it.
Yeah.
It's quite we haven't seen much. Yeah,
To be honest, we just sat down in one cafe. Yeah. It's just, I
appreciate it.
it's so hot at this time of day that it's really hard to do anything.
It is.
Yeah. Yeah,
It really is.
it is. But this is our last day. This is our last day. Catching a very late flight tonight.
Yeah, we are. Oh, okay.
And yeah, it's good.
Have you seen? Yeah, this is the end. It's the end.
We've still got a pretty good day ahead of us.
I think we do.
I feel like the days really only start at 4 or 5 p.m.
Literally.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
Still a rotation. It's the water crystal.
That did it right.
I think you're right. We probably have run out of things to.
Film me then, film me.
And then I'll follow you with the GoPro.
Yeah, okay.
A ver, es más que allí. Un pelín, yo le planché un poco los pies, las plantas. Vete de... No sabía cómo tirarme, lo siento. Uy, va, pruebo.
Yes, well. Woo! Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. There he is.
Yeah, but not much. Be careful, bud, be careful. Grab the handle. There's one. I'll say that is your best bet. At least that's what I used. Right, be careful, yeah. Nice and tight. I got you. Grab here. Yeah, nice. You're fine there. You should be alright.
You right to keep like?
Yeah. You'll be alright. You got this one. I'll just sort of get one hand here, I think. And you eventually fit hold. Yeah. Push up. That's it, nice. Oh! Well done. So here we are.
It smells like someone's definitely pissed around here.
Shall I get this on the film?
Yeah.
So
It is filming.
Hey, this place is amazing. St. Peter's Pool. Absolutely packed with people there. Yeah.
Or like when it before it got so busy.
Yeah, brilliant. Yeah. I bet it probably hasn't been busy until kind of more recent.
Yeah, probably.
years.
You still think it's like man-made bricks?
The man-made, that is actually, I think that's like a channel.
Oh, really?
And then look, here's like the, oh, this is one big basin. And they'll be filled with some coffee. Or at least...
I think people made this so they could collect salt and pellets.
Yeah. Wow, I bet it's boiling hot in there. I'm gonna go in.
Mate, it looks grubby.
Do you think?
It looks green, mate.
Oh, it'll be fine. It's really warm. Oh, mate. It's like a bathtub in here.
I think I might just
Oh.
and just piss myself.
Yeah. Isn't it? This is lush. Is there a nice little one there?
Have a look at it, mate. There's way more here, so it's not just the same as
Oh. A bit slippery inside, mate. Be careful. Yeah, we're at the St. Peter's Pool, but we've just gone around the corner. Woo! And we're investigating this much quieter spot. This is very interesting to see the little canals that people have dug out. And these little... Wow, I bet you could probably even just jump in. Should I jump into it? Wow! Wow! Mate, you could probably jump into some of these. Woo! This is amazing, and some of this might be natural. Wow! I'm gonna go into this one. Incredible. And the nice little bath. Only just sit in one. Yeah, I might just have a quick wee actually. Yeah, we're talking.
Watch your head on some of the rocks, though.
Yeah. We'll take the face of it.
Yeah, definitely. I've got film with you. Would that be enough? Could you get a screen capture from that?
Well, there's tons of little shrimp.
Yeah, little shrimp things.
Yeah, you could do something. Yeah, go for a wee somewhere. One of the...
How's that?
Yeah, fine.
Really?
Check it out. I'll get this perfect angle for you as well. The sun's on you.
Is it? Fuck.
Check it down, mate. Check it down.
Right guys, it's the end of the trip. We're packing up. We're about to take flights. So it's been an awesome time in Malta. Unfortunately all good things have come to an end. So it's a goodbye from us.
Ciao.
Ciao ciao ciao.
Ciao, grazie.
Ciao 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 ciao. Bye bye.